What's up, Scoopster Nation? Get ready for a rapid-fire news dump that's going to blow your mind. First, we're heading to Moulvibazar, where Prime Bank, alongside the BFIU, is hosting a vital, day-long training program focused on the prevention of money laundering and combating financing of terrorism. This isn't just a quick chat. We're talking 90 bankers from all over the district rolling up their sleeves to get schooled on the latest AML and CFT strategies, with key figures like BFIU Director Mostakir Rahman and Prime Bank DMD MD Zaire Rahman leading the charge. This is serious business for financial security, and we've got all the details. But hold on, the news doesn't stop there. The National Board of Revenue just dropped a bombshell. A comprehensive 10-year strategy, the medium and long-term revenue strategy, set to redefine Bangladesh's revenue mobilization from FY 2025-26 all the way to FY 2034-35. They're talking about major reforms across customs, VAT, and income tax, introducing cutting-edge tech, expanding tax zones, and digitizing everything from return filing to risk management. This is a massive play to boost domestic revenue and achieve upper middle-income status, and the NBR is pulling out all the stops. And the impact keeps coming. Community Bank Bangladesh PLC is making waves by supporting icddr, in a critical project aimed at raising HPV awareness and boosting vaccination rates among female police staff across Bangladesh. This initiative, focusing on cervical cancer prevention, is set to enroll 188 female police personnel, offering them vital health support and education that often gets overlooked. With key figures like Inspector General of Police Baharul Alam and icddr, Executive Director Tamid Ahmed championing this cause, this is a huge step forward for women's health in a crucial sector. Finally, a seismic shift in the financial world. Bangladesh Bank Executive Director MD Mezbaul, Haque, has officially resigned, citing personal reasons. This comes after a period of intense controversy surrounding his alleged involvement in foreign reserve issues and the Binimwe platform. With leadership changes already underway since the new governor took charge, this resignation adds another layer of intrigue to the central bank's ongoing transformation. You won't want to miss our deep dive into this developing story. Make sure you're subscribed, hit that notification bell, and join the conversation. Prime Bank and BFIU join forces for crucial AML CFT training. In a significant move to bolster financial security, Prime Bank PLC, in collaboration with the Bangladesh Financial Intelligence Unit, BFIU, recently hosted a comprehensive day-long training program on prevention of money laundering and combating financing of terrorism, AML and CFT, in Moulvibazar. This vital initiative saw participation from 90 bankers representing various scheduled banks within the district, all eager to deepen their understanding of critical anti-financial crime measures. The event was graced by BFIU Director Mostakir Rahman as the chief guest, and chaired by Prime Bank Deputy Managing Director and CAMLCO MD Zaire Rahman, highlighting the high-level commitment to this cause. Expert resource persons from the BFIU, including Sajid Hossain, MD Amanur Hassan, and MD Musfiqul Islam, led engaging sessions covering everything from the Money Laundering Prevention Act and Anti-Terrorism Act to essential Know Your Customer, KYC, and Customer Due Diligence, CDD, procedures. They also delved into transaction monitoring techniques, regulatory compliance, and the prevention of complex schemes like credit-backed and trade-based money laundering. The training wasn't just theoretical. It included interactive elements like a quiz competition and concluded with an award ceremony, fostering a proactive learning environment and recognizing top performers. This collaborative effort underscores Prime Bank's commitment to enhancing industry-wide expertise in combating financial crime. This training marks a critical step in strengthening the nation's defenses against financial crime. Stay tuned, because our next update reveals a bold, decade-long blueprint that could reshape Bangladesh's entire financial landscape. NBR unveils ambitious 10-year strategy to supercharge revenue collection. The National Board of Revenue, NBR, has officially launched its Medium and Long-Term Revenue Strategy, MLTRS, for FY 2025-26 to FY 2034-35, charting a course for sustained reforms and enhanced institutional capacity aimed at significantly boosting Bangladesh's domestic revenue mobilization. This forward-thinking strategy acknowledges the nation's progress in tax reforms while emphasizing the necessity of further efforts to achieve its goal of upper middle-income status by 2031. The NBR's plan encompasses a holistic overhaul of the tax architecture, including customs, VAT, and income tax, with a strong focus on augmenting regulatory, institutional, human, and voluntary compliance capacities. Key initiatives include the implementation of the new Income Tax Act 2023, designed to simplify processes and curb evasion, alongside the expansion of operational reach with 10 new tax zones and specialized units. To tackle the persistent weakness in income tax collection, the NBR is accelerating automation through online return filing, ETDS, digital payments, and a document verification system. On the customs front, the new Customs Act 2023 and the upcoming National Single Window by 2026 are set to streamline trade and improve efficiency. The strategy also addresses VAT complexities and promotes transparency through electronic fiscal devices and a sales data center. This comprehensive decade-long vision is not just about increasing collections, but also about fostering transparency, enhancing taxpayer services, and building a robust framework to meet Bangladesh's development aspirations. The NBR's 10-year plan is a significant commitment to modernizing tax systems and boosting national revenue. But what does this mean for women's health in our forces? We've got a heartwarming initiative next that's making a real difference. Community Bank champions women's health with HPV awareness initiative for police staff. In a commendable stride towards prioritizing women's health, Community Bank Bangladesh PLC has joined forces with icddr to support a groundbreaking project focused on raising human papillomavirus, HPV, vaccine awareness and acceptance among female police personnel. This initiative, titled Awareness, Acceptance and Barriers Check by Immunizing Human Papillomavirus Vaccine among Female Police Staff to Prevent Cervical Cancer in Bangladesh, aims to tackle cervical cancer, a major health challenge for women in the country. Unlike typical adolescent-focused vaccination programs, this project specifically targets adult women in an organized workforce, enrolling 188 female police staff aged 18 to 45 from the Armed Forces Police Battalion in Dhaka. Led by Rizwana Khan, assistant scientist at icddr, the project will unfold over 7 phases, including crucial awareness campaigns and vaccination delivery, with a strong emphasis on monitoring and evaluation. Beyond HPV vaccination, the initiative will also promote safe menstrual hygiene management, enhancing the overall health and quality of life for these dedicated service members. Community Bank Chairman Baharul Alam emphasized the importance of prioritizing the health of policewomen, calling the project a vital step in cervical cancer prevention and a potential model for workplace-based health initiatives. icddr Executive Director Tamid Ahmed lauded the bank's commitment, noting that the project's findings could significantly influence national policy and extend protection to more women across Bangladesh. This partnership marks a significant step in safeguarding the health of the nation's female police force. And now, a major development at the heart of Bangladesh's financial system that's sending shockwaves through the industry. Bangladesh Bank Executive Director Mezbaul Haque resigns amidst controversy. MD Mezbaul Haque, an executive director at Bangladesh Bank, has submitted his resignation, citing personal reasons. This departure comes at a turbulent time for the central bank, following a period of significant leadership changes and amidst ongoing controversies that have reportedly involved Haque. Sources indicate his resignation follows allegations related to foreign reserve management and the implementation of platforms like Binimoy, along with providing undue facilities to Nagad. Haque's position had become increasingly contentious following a political shift in August, leading to his transfer from the central bank's headquarters to the Rajshahi office. Bangladesh Bank spokesperson Arif Hossain Khan confirmed the resignation, stating it was submitted citing personal grounds. Haque's exit adds to a series of high-profile departures and pressure resignations since Austin H. Manser took over as governor. Several top officials, including deputy governors and the head of the BFIU, have previously resigned following allegations of banking irregularities. Haque, who was promoted to executive director in December 2022 and also served as the central bank spokesperson, had a notable role in overseeing the payment systems department and was closely involved with digital initiatives launched during the previous government's tenure. His resignation marks another significant chapter in the ongoing restructuring and scrutiny within Bangladesh Bank. Haque's resignation follows a period of intense scrutiny and leadership changes within the central bank. That's all the breaking news for today, but don't go anywhere. We've got a lightning round recap coming right up. All right, Scoopster fam, that was a rapid-fire download of the biggest stories. We saw Prime Bank and BFIU boosting financial security with AML-CFT training for 90 bankers. The NBR is firing up the economy with a game-changing 10-year revenue strategy packed with tech. Community Bank and icddr are championing women's health with a vital HPV awareness project for our female police force. And in a major shakeup, Bangladesh Bank Executive Director Mezbaul Haque has resigned amidst controversy. Don't miss out on any of our future updates. Hit that like button, subscribe to Scoopster for your daily dose of what matters, ring that notification bell so you never miss a video, and drop a comment below to tell us what you think. Follow us on all social platforms for more exclusive content. Thanks for watching Scoopster.